If you're planning to spend some time outside this summer, you may want to take some extra precautions. Experts are warning this could be one of the worst tick seasons that we've had in years. So joining us now to explain is Dr. Amish Adalja, an infectious disease specialist. It's so good to have you back. I want to begin with the obvious question. Why is it expected to be so bad this year?
It's expected to be so bad because environmental conditions are favoring the flourishing of ticks. We had a relatively mild winter, which allows more ticks to survive. Spring has been somewhat mild, so tick activity has increased. And if you look actually at the data, emergency department visits for tick bites, they're up at a level that's higher than last year. So it's clearly translating into more people getting bitten, more people seeking care, and that will translate into more disease transmission.
Absolutely. So get into the diseases now, Lyme being one of them that can start with this.
Lyme is the most common disease in the United States that's spread through ticks, and there are probably 400,000 or so cases that occur every year. They're underreported. And the thing to know about Lyme disease, it's a specific type of tick, a deer tick, and it has to be attached for a period of time, 36 hours or so. So it's not a fleeting bite. And that's why tick checks on your body are so important. But Lyme disease, if it transmits, can start out with flu-like symptoms and a bullseye rash in some individuals, not everybody, but some individuals. And then it can disseminate and cause arthritis. It can affect the conducting system of your heart. It can affect your brain as well. But the good thing about Lyme disease, if it's caught early, it can be treated and you can stave off all those complications. In addition to Lyme, we think about anaplasmosis, babesiosis, ehrlichiosis, all spread by similar ticks or the same ticks. So there's not just one thing, and one tick can be carrying multiple different types of pathogens. So it's really important just to have general tick prevention on your mind during this season.
Well, what are some of the best ways we can protect ourselves and our pets from ticks?
So it's important to remember that it's not just when you're out hiking in the woods where you're going to be exposed to ticks. You can be exposed to ticks in your backyard, on the golf course. You see many suburban developments, they encroach on the forest where ticks are present. So that's something people need to keep in mind, that it's not just when you're in the wilderness. You should wear clothing that protects areas of your body that are exposed. You should do frequent tick checks when you come back into the house to make sure that there's no ticks attached. You can wear DEET, which is a repellent to ticks as well. But the biggest thing is going to be doing body checks on ticks. Many people show up and they have something on their skin and they don't realize it's actually a tick.
So just paying better attention to all of the changes. Thank you so much, Dr. Adalja. Like you said, you want to prevent it if you can altogether, but certainly if you do have a tick bite or suspect that you do, contact a physician as soon as possible.
Thanks for having me.
Thank you for joining us.